Hey guys, it's another nice New England day. A little different than the last time you may have seen it, but it is above freezing, so it's a good day. So, you may ask, a lot of you guys asked, why we had the cars out. It was a little wet. Well, this is why. Because the cars are most likely in for the rest of the winter. So we took advantage of it, 55-degree weather. So here's the plan today. As you may or may not know, Musty One was nice enough to come down and get my welder set up for me. So we're going to try to make some sense out of this. So I have a hood for this, but might as well take a crack at making this one again. Well, you know what I mean. So that's the plan. Get this uncovered, try to move the 914. We'll see how that goes. I got the Kubota warming up, clean up the driveway real quick, and try to get this bug in the garage. Well guys, that might be tomorrow's project. Getting that 914 over to the other garage. It's killing me to see that thing outside. Here's a better look at what's going on. So, yeah, let's just let's give you a look at what happens here. So I'm gonna go to get gas. Yeah, oh yeah. Got a little bit of the whole closing. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's give this a shot. We'll put a couple beads on there. My first beads on a car. This could be disastrous, or this could be successful. Let's give it a shot. That hinge is kind of in the way from where we need to really bang it out. So I think I'm just gonna clean it up and just put a couple beads on that side. Like I said, we're not going for perfection here. I have a hood for this. Got a bigger gap on this side. This side's not as messy, but again, I don't know if you can see in there where that hinge gets in the way of, if you really wanted to try and straighten it out before you welded it. Let's put a bead on her and see what happens. What's the worst that could happen, right? I don't think I can make it worse, but let's find out. Yep. Burning holes, baby. I got one good one on there. Well, 1 out of 5 ain't bad. Oh man. I got a couple good ones in there. Alright, there's what I'm starting with. Got it cleaned up. Got this as flat as I could, you know, flat as I could get it. Let's hit it. Oh, ground. This would help. Not gonna fill that gap. Not gonna happen. Not on my watch. Well, there you go. We got our first fire. Oh. Break out the 4x8 sheet of metal. I don't think I had a prayer to fill that gap anyway, but man, you were right, sir. I was gonna blow a big old hole in this. I sure did. Oh, that's awesome. Dang. Alright, well there's the right side. I looked at the prior footage. I was going to give myself a D+, but I might have to go back to a D-. What do you think, Josh?
I don't know.
Yeah? This side's worse, but this will be the deciding factor. D+ or D- if it closes. Oh, it's looking pretty weak. She ain't gonna close. We're gonna have to strengthen that. I can't give myself an F. I'm gonna have to go D-. I know, I could. You,
Dad.
I'm gonna get.
You need an F-.
F-? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go back to work on this thing. I'm not quitting.
How you quit?
Because what's the one thing you never do?
Quit.
That's right. Although you need to know when to walk away. I'm gonna tack something. I'm gonna try to put a couple tacks on this. Anyway. Alright guys, well my battery's flashing. I'm gonna pull this thing up and hammer away on this and try and move some tin metal. I just want to say thank you for all the comments and support that you guys continue to give the channel. I'm having a great time learning and getting after these projects. So thanks again. Have a great day. Appreciate it. Take care, guys. Alright guys, I'm back at it. I just couldn't be content with my D-, so I managed to fill those holes in. I'm pretty happy about that. I'm gonna get the grinder out and just try and smooth that out some, make it look a little more presentable. So I'm pretty happy with that. The goal here would be to try to get a C-. That would be outstanding. So see what the grinder has to offer us. Well, I'm gonna call it with that. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for me. I'm very happy that I came back out, was able to get this hole filled in. I saw the footage and I was gonna give myself an F, so don't give up. We got that done. Got it filled in. It's not pretty, but it's gonna be functional. It's not done either, but so stoked I got the 211 in action on a car. Thank you, Musty One, for the tips and setting up the welder. I really appreciate it. And thank you guys for hanging out. All the comments and likes, I can't say thank you enough. I really, really appreciate it. So I'm gonna get cleaned up in here and I'll finish up this car tomorrow. So thank you again, guys. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.